Take deep breathing.
I'm so happy that we made it, that it was possible to do this wonderful movie, that we have Richard here, that we have the sister of the Dalai Lama here. It's such an honor. I mean, I couldn't be happier than right now.
Well, this is a very sweet festival, and I have enjoyed being here before. But I think this one, which was started by the community here, the filmmakers are from here, and obviously this wonderful and large Tibetan community here, I think makes it very special, opening the film here.
This is definitely a different world from what I normally live with. So I'm really happy that to be a part of this celebration of the labor of love of 6 years that Manuel Bauer, Robert Miller, and Philip Delacroix worked on, and Richard Gere, our good friend, and his team also worked on making it better. And I hope last night we were joking that we hope Richard has made this richer, not poorer. Is Richard listening? Is he there? Okay. So all, you're there, okay. Thank you for everything, Richard.
Zurich seems very calm. Now we came in and it was like, is today Sunday? Because it seems to be very good. No, it was Monday. Really? And then today too. Everyone was very calm.
You guys do a really good job, so keep it up.